Hello class, welcome to EDUC 1301, Intro to Teaching Profession. I'm Mrs. Meeks and I'm so excited that you're joining this class and that you're looking into becoming a teacher. It is an amazing career that you have ahead of you and life-changing. So to help get us started, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the way that this course is set up. First of all, thank you so much for your patience with getting everything going. I just was assigned this course, and so I got everything uploaded as quickly as possible, so bear with me as we go through some things. If I need to make any changes to the syllabus, I will let you know, and if we need to do any other changes along the way, I'll keep you posted. So the way that the course is set up, are you have your announcements, and I've already posted some announcements. The first one is to welcome to the class, to make sure you get your textbook and the things that you need to get started for the first week of class. This week we will be doing getting started in the content area, submit introduction, and take the quiz. It's a syllabus quiz, okay? Then the second announcement is about the field experience. With considering our circumstances right now, I will give you some more information about this as we go along to help you, but go ahead and be thinking where you could possibly do your field experiences. If it'd be in person, are you looking into a virtual format? Just be thinking about it, and I will get back to you with more information on that. And then this is an older video about field experiences, and if you are able to go into a school or into a school setting, this is some tips for that. And then the next is the syllabus and course information. And so here I have attached the syllabus that you can open up. This course is by unit. And so we have couple weeks that you work on each unit, and you'll see how it's divided up. That if the syllabus changes, I will make sure to let you know in the announcements. And then more information about the way the course and the different assignments in this course. And then we have the Getting Started tab. Here talks about the first steps for this week, what you can do to get started and how to get started. Cengage is one thing I asked if you've ever been. It's in the syllabus quiz. If you've used that, I've attached our course to it. So that's just for extra resources. It's not part of your grade, but it's a great resource to use to learn more about the topics we're studying. And then it goes into more information about getting started with our course and being an online course. The next tab is the field experience. And like I said, go ahead and read through this, watch the videos, kind of get an idea of the paper, the reports that are due, the timeline on the syllabus, we'll talk about it. And I will talk to you more about specifics with that. This is a very important tab, the units and assignments. This is where all of your assignments will be. So Unit 1 as displayed, and we'll have this first tab is the course syllabus. This is what you'll do this week, and everything's set up in the 5E model. It's just a way that you can teach and get information across to your students. So be sure to go through. This has the Elaborate, which is the introductions, and the course quiz that are due this week. And then starting next week will be your Unit 1. And so it goes through the same. You can have information about your chapter, the PowerPoints to study to use while you read your chapter, and then questions about the chapter that you will post. Okay, so it will go through, and it goes through Chapter 5 as you're reading and working your way, and then after that date, we'll start Unit 2, and I'll be sure to post that ahead of time for you. If you need to know information about me, please feel free to contact me at any time through email. If you have an overall class question, you could go to the question form and ask. If you have a more personal question or just want to reach out to me through my email, please do. I'm here. This is our time together and to work through this course together. If you have any questions about the way assignments set up or your field experience or something you notice on the syllabus. So hopefully this little tour through the course is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, like I said before, and thank you so much. I'm very excited about our weeks together.